How to pronounce O, U, U in Chinese pinyin, Mandarin pinyin. How to pronounce O? Put the tongue at the bottom of your mouth and push the lips forward into a small O circle. The sound of O sounds like the O in English, law. How to pronounce U? Push the lips forward hard to make a small round gap. The sound of U sounds like the double O in English word wood. How to pronounce U? Try to pronounce the pinyin final E or double E in English word B. And then gradually round and tighten your lips in an O shape. Make it faster. Combine these words together. The vowel U will naturally come out. The similarity of O, U and U. These three vowels are the essential basic finals in Chinese pinyin. Lips shape O, U and U all have the round O shape.